Welcome back to explore the amazing 5-in-1 tricycle built for your active and growing toddler. This versatile ride transitions smoothly from a balance bike to a pedal tricycle as your child develops. Safety features include limited steering and enclosed wheels to protect small feet during every exciting outdoor adventure. High-quality carbon steel and shock-absorbing wheels provide a smooth and comfortable ride on any surface. Parents will appreciate the adjustable pushrod that prevents back pain while guiding their happy little riders along. You can assemble this stylish bike in only 1 minute using the very convenient tool-free design. It is a wonderful way to improve coordination and build lasting self-confidence in your young child. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.